Good afternoon. Today's question comes from a parent who asks, whenever a student is completing a second prompt after completing a full written activity, which one do they choose from? So this applies to students in levels 7 through levels 12 of Essentials in Writing. So I have before me a level 9 expository paragraph lesson. So in the first lesson here, students will create a plan. I, as the teacher, will read this prompt and create my plan from that prompt as far as how I'm going to answer the prompt and write to that prompt. Then students will choose from these three expository prompts that they will be writing a paragraph to. Now, the next day, students will complete a draft of the plan that they made, and I give an example of a quality paragraph written from my plan, and then, or outline per se, and then an ineffective one. But then the following day, after the student has planned and drafted the paragraph, the student will complete lesson 3B, which is the additional prompt. Basically, what that means is the first three that are listed here are from the first day. You'll notice that they are right here. And that's what the student wrote to when they completed the plan and the draft. Now that they're finished with that, they're going to practice that lesson again. That's the second prompt, and they're going to choose from one of these four. Now, these three are the three that were listed before, but students will want to choose a different one than they chose before. So if they chose number 1 back here on this first day plan right here, sometimes children think parents are strict, they will not want to choose that prompt to write to on this lesson 3B here. They would want to choose from prompt number 2, prompt number 3, or prompt number 4. And then the student can complete the plan and complete the draft all in one day if they feel like they have a good understanding of how to plan an expository paragraph and how to draft it. Or if they need additional practice, they can watch the video lessons again and complete it again. As always, if you have questions, be sure to submit them. We're always here.